Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to turn on the flashlight on an iPhone in iOS. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To turn on the flashlight to use it as a torch in iOS, all you should need to do is scroll down from the top right corner of the screen and one of the icons that appears should be a flashlight. Tap on this to turn it on or off and tap and hold on it to change the flashlight's brightness. If you don't see this icon, open the main settings page and choose Control Center from the list of options. Within here, look for the torch or flashlight and tap on the green plus icon to the left of it. It should now appear in the Control Center. You can also ask Siri to turn on the flashlight with the voice command. And so that is how to turn on the flashlight on an iPhone in iOS. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your iPhone or iPad. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.